Doing something before program exit. How can you have a function or something that will be executed before your program quits? I have a script that will be constantly running in the background, and I need it to save some data to a file before it exits. Is there a standard way of doing this?
Check out the atexit module. This URL. For example, if I wanted to print a message when my application was terminating. Just be aware that this works great for normal termination of the script, but it won't get called in all cases, e.g. fatal internal errors.
If you want something to always run, even on errors, use try column finally column like this. If you want to also handle exceptions, you can insert an except column before the finally column.
If you stop the script by raising a keyboard interrupt, e.g. by pressing Ctrl+C, you can catch that just as a standard exception. You can also catch system exit in the same way. I mentioned this just so that you know about it. The right way to do this is the atexit module mentioned above.
This is a version adapted from other answers. It should work, not fully tested, with graceful exits, kills, and PyCharm stop button, the last one I can confirm.
This can handle normal exit as well as killing the process with kill or Ctrl+C.
Functionality of personality is recorded.